Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Melatonin 130 on guitar using an easy method. First, you will need to place a capo on the second fret of your guitar. Make sure your guitar is in standard tuning. We will focus on 6 main chords: C6, G, B7, B, C, and E minor. These chords are mostly open, making them accessible for beginners. Let's get started by mastering these shapes and their transitions. The main part of Melatonin 130 uses a simple, repeating chord progression. You'll play the C6 chord for 2 measures, followed by the G chord for 1 measure, and then the B7 chord for 1 measure. This 4-measure sequence forms the backbone of the song. Focus on making your chord changes clean and timely. Practicing this chord progression slowly will build your muscle memory and confidence for the rest of the song. There's a unique section in the song, particularly around the lyrics, but just this once, where the chord progression changes slightly. Here, you'll introduce the E minor and C chords. The sequence for this part is C6, followed by G, then E minor, then C, and finally returning to C6. This variation adds a nice dynamic to the song. Listen closely to the original track to catch the exact timing and feel of these changes. For strumming, a straightforward pattern you can use is down, 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 up, down, down, up. If that feels too complex initially, simply using all downstrokes will also work well for this song. The key is consistent practice. Start by playing each chord and transition very slowly, gradually building up your speed. Listening to the original recording of Melatonin 130 will help you grasp the song's overall feel and timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.